So these features are pretty much confirmed for the next iPhone 18 Pro coming later this year in September. Starting off with the design, it is going to remain pretty much the same. The phone is going to get a bit thicker. The back design that was introduced with iPhone 17 Pro is also staying here with iPhone 18 Pro. Only notable change will be with the front display. Bezels will be a bit thinner and Dynamic Island is getting a bit smaller. After iPhone 14 Pro, which was introduced back in 2022, the Dynamic Island has remained the same, but now it's going to get a bit smaller. There is no punch hole like design coming to iPhone. Those rumors have been now scrapped. Dynamic Island is staying and shrinking a bit. For the 20th anniversary iPhone, Apple is working on something big, and if things go according to the plan, then after this smaller Dynamic Island, we will see a full display iPhone in 2027. Apple is already testing a quad curve display. Only time will tell if Apple is able to get it ready and usable by September 2027. Apart from the smaller Dynamic Island, we will also see a massive boost in performance thanks to the new 2nm A20 chipset that will give some amazing performance and great battery life. This new architecture will be first in the industry, so hopefully we will see some impressive results. Apple is also finalizing their own in-house C2 modem for iPhone 18 Pro. Last year, the C1 modem was only used with iPhone 16e, and iPhone Air used a slightly upgraded version which was called C1X modem. This new C2 modem will definitely improve wireless connectivity performance and it'll be more efficient as well. The variable aperture camera is also happening this year. Variable aperture will bring in more light and it'll allow for a more natural blur without using AI processing. The back cameras are, however, going to stay at 48 megapixels. Apple isn't going for a higher megapixel count this year. Selfie camera is also rumored to get an upgrade to 24 megapixel, but I highly doubt that it'll happen because just last year with iPhone 17 Pro, Apple made some big changes to the selfie camera, and I don't think so Apple is going to do this year again. In the end, the color options for the iPhone 18 Pro are pretty much confirmed. We are going to get a black color, a new deep cherry red color, plus there will be also a new light blue color, and finally silver will also stay there as a classic option. So these were some of the changes and features that are pretty much confirmed for the next iPhone. These have been confirmed by famous and reliable leaksters that have a pretty good track record in the past. I'll mention the sources in the description so you can check them out. And that was all about for today's episode. With that said, I'll catch you in the next one.